Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to download or install WWE 2K26 game for free with the Steam launcher. So without wasting time, here follow the steps mentioned in this video very carefully. So open Steam, go to store and inside the store search for WWE 2K26 and then click on WWE 2K26 game. Scroll down and here you can see play WWE 2K26 play for free until 3rd August. So you can play this game until 3rd of August. So click on play game button and here you can see WWE 2K26 and the file size is 139.96 GB. So click on install, read the EULA terms and condition and then click on accept. Then go to library and here you can see that WWE 2K26 game is getting downloaded on my PC. So I hope by following the same step you can also download and install WWE 2K26 game for free and you can play this game for free until 3rd of August. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.